So we're gonna try a twist out. I haven't done, not a twist out. We're gonna do flexi rods that I found. I haven't used flexi rods, I feel like, since middle school. But hopefully this gives me a better blend. Because the first blend was fine, but I'm just extra. I want it to look like it's coming out my scalp. So we gonna see, y'all. We really are gonna see. There's not that many flexi rods. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, y'all. Let's get into this trial and error. So I'm gonna use mousse, I think. Maybe. I really haven't done these in so long. Okay. Mousse it is. All right, I touched one here. All right, it's running now. But I feel like this is gonna be cute. Yeah, because look, it's giving that what I'm looking for. I'm gonna touch a little bit of gel in there. Hopefully that doesn't take it. I guess I'll worry about the back another time because I don't have enough flexi rods for that. This feels very promising, y'all. So I ran out of flexi rods, but I went down to my mom's bathroom, and of course she has some because she has everything. So I'm gonna use the bigger ones on the back. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with my leave out, and I'm gonna just go to sleep, and we'll see what happens in the morning. I love this little adjuster. You saw I made it big so everything could fit, and now it's comfortably situated on my head. But yeah, good night, y'all. Good morning, y'all. So it's the next day, and I'm about to take my hair out. So we shall see. Oh, we shall see. Not bad. Now it's the real moment. Or actually, hold up. Let me do my edges while my hair is not in my face. It's 7 a.m. and the only thing on my mind is rip me out the plastic. I've been acting brand new. Like, oh God. cannot believe that's what I woke up with.
Oh, okay, son. Street to a penthouse. Street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yeah. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. Go kill for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. Bitch, watch your mouth. Bitch, stay in your place. Bitch, get out the way. My bitch on your LKK. Yeah, no disrespect. The nigga be tripping, but we love, yeah. Swapping out cars with my bitch. I bought her the limo, she bought me the Ray. Swap it. Practice, 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 make perfect. Nigga, it's never too late. Never, never, never. I see the out of the snake. I see the soul out the snake. Then I see the bills up out of the paint. The vlog and the media fake. Shout it DM me, I'm straight. I'm not gonna bite on the bait. Sipping no toxic waste. On the low with your bitch in this great. Mask on the face, Jason. Watch it, that's how we in shape. If I go bro, she gon' leave, escape. She gone. I put 2 million in the safe, just in case. Don't go my way. No crap. Street to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Yeah, yeah. Niggas talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to the beat. They don't want it. These niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the whip, put it up for my seeds. Go kill for the IG disease. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout. They do anything for clout. Do anything for clout.
Whole lot of people need to hear this. It's a lot of names on my hit list. Mouth still say what he wants to. Push still wet like a big bitch. I should run a whole blog at this place. They using my name for clickbait. Bitches even wanna start fake beats. To sell a little weave in the mixtape. They know I'm the bomb, they ticking me off. Say anything to get a response. I know that mean they traffic is slow. Somebody just gotta practice to launch. So fuck being tame, they'd rather be wild.
This
Bitches is ready, they wanna be down. Soon as these bitches got something to sell, they say my name,
So
say
now
my name,
y'all see, okay, so
everybody wanna be lit. Everybody wanna be rich. Everybody wanna be
alright y'all, so this is the final look with Flexi rods. I like this blend a lot better. And this is a great summer hair too because curly hair just eats in the summer, and I love leave out, so this just does it for me. And as y'all saw, you can style it in a lot of different ways. So yes y'all, it's so pretty. Alright y'all, thank y'all so much for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial and that y'all give this hair a try. Y'all make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye y'all.